Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you value your privacy on Spotify, you might want to hide your recently played artists from others. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your recently played artists private using the Spotify mobile app. Let's get started right away. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Social. Finally, find the option labeled Recently Played Artists and turn it off by tapping the switch next to it. That's it. Now your recently played artists will no longer be visible to others. And there you have it. Your listening activity is now more private. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tutorials.